Koblai pibaro saisin pat hakane kavidiak bamta ngan pentip syapi yaki khobor laikam palapan mi daka MBMA Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. Meghalaya Basin Management Agency invite online application from eligible candidate in prescribed format to fill up the Greenfield Association position on a contractual basis. Teka kod online application yaki candidate ki balong eligible pan pendap yaki post Greenfield Associate Badia kini kipus kandai haka contractual basis. Teka tarik ban submit yaki application kin pedang hadu ka kadoi tarik panai bombar arajar arapsau. Te ladadon na pedang jong pi kiba kwa ban apply yaki ni kipus te sapet yaki ni ka video hadu ban akot kenang ba pinsau thu company hak bedai bat kini kipus bat yaki wiki jenggan kam te yaki ni kipus bat piya ban apply kandai yaki palapas yaka graduate sajrong kila ban apply. Temen ta ngin yape yaki kerteng jong kipus kapus kadai Greenfield Associate number of post kad artuli kipus balaj nang taka list of post kajak ka bantrai kandai ha baro ki blok kita kidai haki blok jong ki khasi cantie bat garo ka over age limit hadu sau pusan senam bapiyo ban apply. Nang taka salary lane ka jingseu kadai arparajar sispa haka si benai. Nang taka essential qualification pat bachelor degree postgraduate in any stream. However, the science stream will be preferred. Pedi man pendek beka bachelor degree lane postgraduate hakono kono stream bat ki kham simba yaki badai ki science stream. Nang taka requirement the candidate should be from the same block place of posting place of residence. Ki candidate ki dai bandan haka jaka haka taka block bapi apply. Candidate with two vehicle two-wheeler will be preferred. The candidate should possess a valid two-wheeler driving license. Ki kham simba yaki badon lane panang bha banyak yaki arsaka bat kidai ru bandon yaka valid driving license. Bat kumjo ki candidate kidai banang haka ketien English bat kalau ka language kum ka ketien khasi karo bat benar. Bat pidai ru bandon ka jengtip sepang ki komputer kum ka Word, Excel bat PowerPoint. Tekum no bapen apply yaki neki post. To apply for the above position, candidate have to fill out the application from the following link. Ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply yaki neki post. Ki haban pendap ya ka application form pala kadau harom dengan sabu hapo ka description below. Ru ya ka application form kenang bapen yolai direct na katuka link bang labu hapo ka description below. Nang ta ka selection process. Pidai banto ka cover letter sepang ka jing snutunat jongpi hak dai bat kene ka kam bat kam dai ban bun ya ka san spa kentin namar kalong ke baton kam bha ban apply ya kini kipus itu ki bomla tekin syakentaj haka application form. Nang ta kan don ru ka written exam lane assignment bat ka personal interview. Ya kini kipus ki subject na kamta ka written test kadai matter knowledge, general knowledge, reasoning bat English. Nak banta banto ya ka written exam pat lane personal interview kandai hapo silong. Kitang kini gijing pentip hak badai bagi ni pus keblai sibon.